You should already have the contents of the alarm kit out in front of you. Before you can mount or program the devices, you will need to activate the batteries in all of the components. Pull out the plastic tab on the back of the PIR. This will activate the batteries. You should now be able to see a red light flashing through the lens. This will last for 30 seconds, indicating the component's initiation. Repeat with additional PIRs. Pull out the plastic battery saver tab found on the side of the main unit. This will activate the battery. Repeat with the other door and window contact in the alarm kit and any additional contacts. If you're installing the system for the first time, you'll need to remove the mounting plate, if fitted, from the control unit by sliding plate downwards. Plug in the power adapter and the control unit will beep, and set user code will be shown in the text display. The green power LED will be on. Remove the rubber battery switch cover and locate the battery switch beneath. Using a pointed tool, slide the battery switch to the right in the direction of the arrow to switch the internal battery on and replace the rubber cover. The unit is now ready for first-time installation steps. With Set User Code displayed, press the tick key. Enter First Code will be shown. Choose a code and enter a 4-digit number. The dots will turn into asterisks as the number is entered. If a mistake is made, then the reverse arrow key can be used to correct the wrong number. Once entered, press tick to confirm. Be sure to make a note of your chosen PIN code, it will be required later. Next, you are prompted Set Second Code. You can either choose to skip entering further codes by pressing the up or down arrow keys to align the flashing dot to the desired option. You can select No and press tick to exit, or Yes and tick to enter up to 3 more user codes. Each time a user code is entered, the tick button has to be pressed to confirm the entry. Once the user codes are entered, the screen will show Reset Code or Next Step. If you need to change any of the codes, use the Up key to select Reset Code and press tick. Otherwise, press the tick key to select Next Step. Add Device will now be displayed. Press the tick key on the control unit and Push Button on Device to add will be shown. Select any devices supplied in the kit except Siren and press the Learn button. Every time a Learn button is pressed, the control unit will beep and Detected Zone 01B will be shown. Press tick to confirm it is the correct device. Repeat until all devices are learnt in by pressing tick to select more devices. The Learn buttons for the devices are Remote Key Fob. Press any key except the emergency button. PIR. Press the Test button. Door window contact. Press the Test button. Help button. Press the emergency button. Smoke detector. Press the Test button. For the keypad, press button A and enter 0000 to enter test mode indicated by a continuously flashing LED. Press button A and enter 7. Follow by pressing button A, then 1 to send the learn-in signal. Now press the blue Disarm button twice to exit programming mode. The green LED will stop flashing. After you have finished adding devices, more devices or next step will be shown. Press tick to add more sensors or select Next Step to continue. Next, Add Siren will be displayed. Remove the siren cover. Ensure the siren power is switched on. Press tick on the control panel and it will request you push the Learn button on the siren. Press tick on the control panel and press the Siren Learn button. The siren should now beep once. If you didn't hear it beep, select No. If it did beep, select Yes twice and it will send a transmit signal to the siren. Your siren will beep once in response. If you didn't hear it beep, select No. If it did beep, select Yes. You may now go on to the next step if you have no more sirens to add. Set Tell number for alert will be shown. Press tick and enter the telephone number you want to send alarm messages to. You can edit the number by using the reverse arrow key, and when complete, press tick. More numbers can be added at this stage using the yes/no options. When finished, the Reset Number or Next Step screen will be shown. The Reset Number option will allow all the numbers to be changed. Select Next Step to continue. Rec name and address will be displayed. Press tick and follow the on-screen instructions to record your name and address for alarm reporting. Remember to speak clearly and slowly. Press tick to start recording and tick again when you're finished. If you're not satisfied with your recording, you can go back and re-record it. Select Next Step to continue. Test call will be shown. At this point, you can choose to test the telephone message calling feature with the yes/no option. To make a test call, plug in the telephone line cord supplied into the control unit. Find a convenient telephone wall socket and plug the other end of the cord in. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the test. 4 messages will be played in sequence. The call can be terminated by the recipient pressing 9 on the phone or by pressing the reverse arrow key on the unit. After the test has finished, Call Again or Next Step will be displayed. If another call is to be made, press the up arrow key and tick. Otherwise, select Next Step to continue. Set Date Time will be shown. Press tick. Follow the on-screen instructions to set both the time and date. The date and time is set by using the up and down arrow keys and then pressing tick when finished. Date time or Next Step will be shown. If any changes are to be made, press the up arrow key and tick. Otherwise, select Next Step to continue. Start Walk Test will be shown. Follow the on-screen instructions to test all the learnt-in devices except for the siren. Walk Test is used to check that the sensors are working correctly. Walk Test can also be used to find out if the devices are in radio range of the control panel. Press the test buttons on the PIR and door contact and the arm keys on the key fob and keypad to send a test signal. If a device is detected, the control unit will chime and display the device that is sent the test signal. You can quit the walk test at any time by pressing the reverse arrow key. Test device or Next Step will be displayed. To retest, press the up arrow key and tick. Otherwise, select Next Step to continue. Press tick to set up finished. Then Start Again will be shown. To restart the process, select Start Again. Otherwise, select Setup Done to finish the first time easy install procedure. The control unit will now display Alarm Off with the time and date. At this point, the fault light on the control panel may be on, with the panel sounding a beep every 30 seconds. More advanced programming, such as device naming, entry-exit times, adding other users, and any corrections can be made in the main programming menu. See following sections for details.